Hey communication literacy team, this is Chris Abraham from GOHacademy. In today's class, we're going to focus on the communication literacy exam, the MTEL 01, and specifically the writing exam. I want you to use this video to help you on that exam. And if you like this stuff, give the video a big thumbs up at the end and maybe check out a class sometime, okay? All right, let's get into it. Let's do our first set of problems from the communication literacy writing exam. Let's take a look. 1, 2, 3, read it on your own, go. 30 seconds, read it 2 times. Type in 2 words. What is this about? Is it about daily living? Think about it, read it closely. Who sees that this is to do with paper? Who got paper? Paper. These are all involving paper, right? Now, read it again, Lily. Everyone read it again. From start to finish now. Reread it again. From here to here. Do you see reread now? Tell me when you reread it. Now do you see that this is focusing around paper? Now, can you see it now a little bit better? Okay, now look, there could be more. Okay, I don't know, maybe this is going to go into paper and, I don't know, getting a paper cut or paper airplanes. I don't know what direction this article is going to go in, but it has something to do with paper. Agreed? All right, team, I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, I want you to give it a big thumbs up. Check out a GOHacademy workshop. Maybe you'll find it helpful. Everyone have a wonderful day. Take care, team. Bye-bye.